am a 20-year-old online entrepreneur, and in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing Attapoll and teaching you how to use it to literally be making hundreds of free dollars a day. So if that sounds interesting at all, you're going to make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss one of my videos. And watch this video to the end. I will be having a secret surprise for those of you as long as you watch till the end of this video. So if that sounds interesting, make sure you stick till the end. So as you guys can see, I have my phone on screen right here. And the first thing that we're going to want to do for Attapoll is that we're going to want to go ahead and make sure that we download it. Now, if you haven't downloaded Attapoll before, I have a link for you guys to go ahead and download it in the description. So as long as you click that, it can just make it super easy for you to go ahead and download it. And all we have to do is just go ahead and open Attapoll right here. And if you haven't used Attapoll before, Attapoll is one of the best and easiest to use survey apps that is out there. And if you guys go ahead and sign up with my link down below, you will get a free 50 cents upon sign up, as well as a free $1 survey. So if that sounds interesting at all, you're going to make sure to sign up with that. But as you can see right here, we just have a list of a bunch of surveys right here. I would always recommend that you guys go ahead and fill out these surveys that have at least 3 stars and above. And the reason why is because sometimes you'll get a survey that is just not up to quality and it's not really worth your time that much. So because of that, Attapoll actually has this really convenient ranking system, as you can see on the right, which is basically going to allow you to vet surveys and make sure that they're actually worth your time. So I'm going to go ahead and just fill this one out for you guys. So what is your job title, level, or responsibility? I'm the owner of this channel. I'm going to tell them that. I'm a dude. I have no children. I am white. 9 is the largest number there. And as you can see, just like that, we filled out a super easy survey and we just made a completely free 1 cent. Now, if you guys go ahead and use something like Attapoll, which I have used other survey apps, I really like Eureka as well. You can just go ahead and trade in and out Attapoll and Eureka. Let's say that you've run out of surveys for here on Attapoll and you want to go ahead and try out another survey app like Eureka. As you can see right here, I have made over $33 from Eureka, and this has just been me filling out these super easy surveys while I'm just sitting on the can, and I'm just sitting there, and instead of scrolling on TikTok, I've gone ahead and gotten myself 2 free months of Netflix just within the last couple of weeks. As you can see, I have $33 on my balance right now. And if you guys are interested in all at trying out Eureka, I would also recommend using both Eureka and Attapoll so you can combine both of these apps so you can basically do infinite amount of surveys. Because in my experience, Eureka usually has more surveys, but not every single one of them is going to be worth your time. For me, I wouldn't fill out any of these because I just don't think they're going to be worth my time because they're not over $1. I would only fill out the surveys that are at least 90 cents, maybe 95 cents. So this one would be okay. I'm not going to fill this out right now because I want to film this video for you guys. But if you guys go ahead and sign up for Eureka with my code down below, you can get a free 50 cents upon sign up and a free $1 survey. So this is going to be a really easy way to make sure that you guys are actually getting a high quality survey, provided that you go ahead and sign up with my link for Eureka, which I think is a very good deal. And using Eureka, you can go ahead and cash out on anything. You can see there's all these different methods of cashing out, but I want to go ahead and go back to Attapoll because I want to show you guys how to actually cash out on Attapoll, because I know that a lot of people are interested in making some easy quick cash and they want to make sure they can actually cash out from it. So you can see right here that we actually have a bunch of different ways of cashing out. I wouldn't recommend touching the donate option. I don't really know how that works. It's kind of weird. It's not really worth your time. But if we go ahead and click on gift cards, you can see that we can deposit it in an Amazon gift card. We can deposit it in a Home Depot gift card, in a Fanatics gift card, which you don't know, this is basically a sports betting site. I don't know what AOS is, but I know what Walmart is, and Walmart is pretty good, and you can go ahead and fill any of these out, but the minimum withdrawal for these, you got to keep in mind, is at minimum $2.50. A lot of these are $5. Amazon is only $2.50 though. So you got to be somewhat consistent with Attapoll, and you got to consistently kind of grind it out before you can do something like this. But you can also cash out with PayPal, and as you can see right here, if I click on it, you need a minimum of $3 with PayPal, which I have not been able to get yet. But when I have gotten that much and I have deposited, I will be going ahead and making a follow-up video to this. So if that sounds interesting at all, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to the channel, because I do want to be making a video adjacent to this that's going to go ahead and teach you how to make over $100 a day from Attapoll when I'm going ahead and I'm making that much from Attapoll. But since this is just a review, I already like a bunch of things about this app. I like how simple the design is. I like that they tell you that there's no surveys for you at the moment. Basically, they're automatically demographicing you, which is really nice for this. And then the other thing that I really like is that if you go ahead and use Attapoll referral link, I've already told you guys to go ahead and use my Attapoll referral link, because when you do, you get a free 50 cents. But if you guys want actually a bunch of easy referral bonuses for going ahead and getting people to sign up for Attapoll, I would highly recommend checking out my Discord. So this is my Discord. It is called Xavier's University, and I'm actually super proud of this Discord. We have thousands of members in here, and if we go to my Temu share links, we can see that we literally have hundreds of people in here doing refer for refers, which basically means that if you fill out or if you do their Temu sign up, then they'll do your Temu sign up, which means that we're all making each other super easy money. And everybody is winning here, and it's an awesome, effective way of just making a ton of free easy money a day. Now on this Discord right here, I do actually have this section right here, which is for Attapoll. As you can see, I've already added everyone in my Discord, and you can go ahead and come in my Discord, and you can start sending messages with your Attapoll referral link right in here, and you will go ahead and get a bunch of people. I've already gotten 5 people to go ahead and sign up with my link right here, and because of that, I've already made a free $5 just by sitting here and letting them fill it out, which is so easy. And then I just fill out some other people's, and we have this awesome and thriving community, and I would highly recommend you guys check out my Discord in the link down below. But if you want to know what really works well, is my premium share links. Now normally I don't give access to this. I only give access to my premium share links in very specific situations. As you can see right here, I have my Sheen code. I basically have anybody who's willing to do some stuff for me, and when they come in here, and they can post in the premium share links, and also when they come in and post in the premium share links, they can also do an @everyone in this chat, which you cannot do @everyone's if you're not already doing this thing for me in any of these 2 chats down here. And if you guys want to know how to @everyone, then I would highly recommend checking out my university. And if you guys want to be able to @everyone and literally make like a free $10 or even up to $50 right now today, I would highly recommend checking out Xavier's University. Now this is one of my flagship products. I'm super happy with how this came out. Basically what this does is that this gives you the access to the Discord role in there to be able to @everyone for anything that you want. So you can for your own Discord, you could for a course, you could for any refer, and only you and other students are allowed to do it, which means that it's going to be super exclusive and super tight knit, and I'm only allowing a certain amount of people to be able to do it a month. So if that sounds interesting at all, you're going to want to check out the description and sign up for Xavier University today. But that's not the only thing I offer. I offer Temu methods, which I have used to make literally thousands and thousands of dollars. I have 40+ pages of completely free product methods, which will teach you how to get completely free products from 20+ different stores, including DHgate and Adidas stores and Logitech stores. I have methods here for you to be able to get completely free food. And on top of that, I have a bunch of different gift card methods. I have like 30+ pages of gift card methods, and every single one of these methods has been tested by me. And the other thing that we have is we actually have this cheap Amazon freebie bot. So basically what this bot is doing, it's just updating with a bunch of cheap stuff from Amazon. And what you can do is something that I've done to make a couple $100s, which is I've just bought a bunch of these items in bulk, and then I've resold them when they've hit the high market value. People call this drop shipping, some people call it FBA, but you can see right here we have a bunch of products that are 50%+ off, and you can go ahead and buy these and just use them, or you can go ahead and resell them and start a small side hustle where you're going to be able to generate hundreds and hundreds of dollars. And this is also including with all of my free gift card methods, my free food methods, my free product methods, and all of my Temu methods, which I actually sell this complete Temu bundle for $50 on its own, which makes the price of Xavier's University an absolute steal. So I would highly recommend going ahead and checking it out. But that is going to be it for today's video, guys. If it was at all interesting or engaging, then please make sure to subscribe to the channel, because like I said, there is a surprise if you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. For every 100 people that subscribe to the channel from this video, I will be doing a free $100 Cash App giveaway, which means that if we have 1,000 subscribers from this video, I will be doing 10 different $100 Cash App giveaways to 10 different lucky people. And all you have to do to enter is comment down below your cash tag, as well as subscribe to the channel so we can get as many of these giveaways going as possible. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. And if this video at all was interesting, then you should go ahead and click on one of these videos right here, because I guarantee you that that's going to be the kind of video that you're going to want to watch to make a bunch of free easy money online. But thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a good day.